is the outer, rigid, protective, and supportive. It is the outer, rigid, protective, and supportive layer. Is outer, rigid, protective, and supportive layer. And give this as a first point. Give this as a first pointer. Give this as a first point. Give this as a first pointer. And second pointer. Its length. Its length varies from 0.1 micrometer to 10 micrometer in various types of cells. In various types of cells. First point is it is the outer rigid protective and supportive layer. It is outer rigid protective and what is that point means I will try to tell you later. Points लिखने के बाद एक एक point देख लेंगे क्या क्या है कि and its length varies from 0.1 micrometer 0.1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. Again you may get that out what is this micrometer etc etc. I will also clarify that. In the various types of cells. C write down C pointer. Certain functions of cell wall. Certain functions of cell wall is in this write on first pointer. We have to see certain functions also. We have to see certain functions also. Protects the cell against mechanical injury. Against mechanical injury. Again, one more thing, you may think this you are recording the video, however, you will upload it on the YouTube, etc. etc. Right now, it is not necessary to write down the notes. तो अब तो नोट्स लिखने की जरूरत नहीं बोल के आप लोग सोच सकते हैं टुडे इज थर्सडे एंड टुमारो इज फ्राइडे एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो इज सैटरडे यू नो ना सैटरडे यू हैव टू सबमिट योर नोट्स और पुराने वाले नहीं जो भी नए वाले हैं ना उनका सबमिट करना होगा पाते కాదమ్మా కొత్తవి ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్ ఇన్ దట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ బీ కేర్ఫుల్ ఇన్ దట్ పాయింట్ be careful. So whatever I'm trying to tell you, just write down means you have to definitely write down. सर हम लोग बाद में लिखेंगे स्क्रीनशॉट लेके बाद में लिखेंगे You have to just go with the flow, man. Just go with the flow. Try to time waste क्यों करना? Protect the cell against the mechanical injury. Second pointer, protects the cell. Protects the cell from the pathogens. From the pathogens. Try to write it quickly, man. Today I will try to complete the class as soon as possible. So please complete कर दो, man. Try to write down as soon as possible. Provides rigidity and shape to the cell. Provides rigidity and shape to the cell. Provides a rigidity and a shape to the these 3 points are enough. These 3 points are enough. I can give more points, but they are against more than your knowledge, so I will not give more points. But these 3 points are enough. So let us see each and every point. Let us see each and every point here. The first point, cell wall. We already know that whatever the cell is there, जो भी cell रहता ना और cell को surrounding में एक layer रहता that layer is called as cell wall work पे आपको मालूम है already. And what is a cell wall? It is a outer rigid. It is a outer rigid, protective and supportive layer. This outer rigid. Rigid means a very strong. Rigid means very strong. Protective बोल तो आपको already मालूम है. Supportive बोल तो आपको already मालूम है. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసామా రిజిడ్ అంటే వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ అక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ లో రాసుకుని రైట్ డౌన్ ఇన్ ద బ్రాకెట్ రిజిడ్ बोलते ब्रैकेट में लिख लो स्ट्रांग बोल के लिख लो and protective means we already know supportive means we already know there is a no okay I will explain protective and supportive but I will try to explain that point here now first point में और second point में explain करने के लिए try करूंगा and coming to second point its length varies from 0.1 micrometer to 10 micrometer in various types of cells 0.1 micrometer to 10 micrometer in various types of cells. Its length varies. Length means its width or etc. etc. So let me tell you certain factors here. If you see the scaling, ये तो मालूम होगा फर्स्ट कम्स है किलोमीटर उसका नीचे क्या रहता किलोमीटर का नीचे क्या रहता मीटर रहता होगा उसका नीचे कौन रहते उसका नीचे सेंटीमीटर रहता होगा उसका सेंटीमीटर का नीचे कौन रहते सेंटीमीटर का नीचे माइक्रोमीटर that is a small micrometer and micrometer के नीचे who will be there means the micron meter micrometer के नीचे who will come means my sorry this means macrometer not micrometer there is a macrometer cm అంటే చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ కాదు ఇట్స్ a centimeter it's a centimeter is a centimeter m ante telusu this is a meter this is a meter and kilometer ante k means that is a kilometer centimeter ki niche value kaun rehta millimeter again I did the mistake again see this is again doing the mistake it's a millimeter actually it's a millimeter and the below the millimeter who will be there means there is a this one now that is called as a micrometer this is called as a micrometer u that is a symbol no this is a symbol symbol will be written as a u बोल के लिखना होगा सामने भी एक टिक डालने का रहता u बोल के लिखने का रहता u అని రాయాలి u అని రాయాలి దాని ముందు కూడా రాయాలమ్మా మైక్రోమీటర్ సో మైక్రోమీటర్ से भी नीचे कौन रहते that is a nm nm stands for what ma that is a nanometer that is a nanometer that is a nanometer that is a nanometer let me take it in the kilometer meter centimeter millimeter micrometer nanometer this is a scaling level this is a scaling level kilometer बोलते बहुत बड़ा रहता you know that is the distance the entire Hyderabad area is like 6 kilometers or etc etc meters means you already know what are the meters 100 centimeters is equal to meters or etc etc centimeters बोलते आपको मालूम है वो scale के ऊपर already वो आपको रहता the when you are doing your matrix or math problems in your class trigonometry वो वाला जो भी करते हैं ना scale use करते हैं 10 सेंटीमीटर से छोटा वाला कौन सा है मिलीमीटर में दैट वन ऑलरेडी सेंटीमीटर के पीछे रहता मिलीमीटर से भी छोटा कौन सा है बोले तो माइक्रोमीटर में मिलीमीटर से भी छोटा कौन सा मिलीमीटर కంటే కూడా చిన్నది ఏంటంటే మైక్రోమీటర్ దట్ ఇస్ డినోటెడ్ బై దిస్ పర్టికులర్ సింబల్ మిల్లీమీటర్ కంటే కూడా చిన్నది ఏదంటే దట్ ఈస్ అ నానోమీటర్ దట్ ఈస్ అ నానోమీటర్ that is a nanometer just go and see your here in this case just go and see here in this case when you see in this case the length the width or whatever the thickness is there the thickness here he's talking about the thickness the thickness ranges from the 0.1 micrometer to the 10 micrometer so this is a single line understand this is a 0.1 micrometer is a 0.1 micrometer and this has a thickness अब देख लो thickness कितना आएगी इसका thickness 10 micrometer बोल के समझ that is he is trying to say and it varies from between the cells to cell this might be the RBC cell RBC cell का हो सकता है this might be the nuclear this might be the ostrich का cell ostrich cell etc this might be belongs to the ostrich cell you have to think in that particular manner so the length or the width of the cell wall varies from the cell to cell it varies from the cell to cell some cells might be and its value will be between the 0.1 micrometer to the 10 micrometer some of them might be having 5 micrometer some of them might be having 3 micrometer some of them might be having 2 so value will range between the 0.1 micrometer to the 10 micrometer that you have to keep it in mind so again these things are not important just for the sake of making you understand giving you all these points that is a cell wall certain functions of the cell wall is that first point is that it protects the cell. It protects the cell against the mechanical injury. It protects the cell against the mechanical injury. अगर कौन सा भी चीज आके डैमेज करने के लिए ट्राई करा होगा तो सेल वॉल को या सेल को if any object comes and tries to destroy a particular cell, then that particular cell will be protected by a particular layer called as a cell wall. The cell wall will tries to protect the cell from the mechanical injury, from the particular point of mechanical injury. Coming to your second point, it will also protect the cell from the pathogens. Pathogens are nothing but the different types of bacteria. Pathogens are nothing but the different types of bacteria, the different type of viruses, the different types of fungi or etc. etc. If these things will try to attack the cell now, then who is protecting the cell means that the cell wall is trying to protect them. First point is that they are giving protection against the mechanical injury. Mechanical injury से protection कौन दे रहा बोलते cell को? Mechanical injury నుంచి cell ని ఎవరు కాపాడుతున్నారు అంటే that is the cell wall is protecting the cell. Second point, it gives it protects the cell again from the pathogens. And what are pathogens means? Pathogens are those things which cause diseases. Pathogens are those things which cause the diseases. So what are the diseases causing things are there? If they try to attack, the cell now, then the cell is getting protection from the cell wall. The cell is getting the protection from the cell wall. And coming to third point, it provides rigidity. Rigidity means you already know that is a strong nature. It provides rigidity, that is a strong nature, and a shape to the cell. The cell, if the particular cell is in the circular in shape, the particular cell is circular in shape, that circle shape ఉండడానికి కారణం ఎవరు అంటే that is the cell wall. ये जो भी cell में आप draw करा ना यहाँ पर whatever the cell the laser देखो this cell whatever that I have drawn this cell is circular in nature. If I say that this cell is circular in nature and what is the reason behind it? कौन है reason? Who is the responsible for this giving circle shape to this particular cell means? Then I can directly say the answer that is the cell wall. Cell wall is the reason where this cell is present in a circular in nature. If I draw in another shape such as this particular star shape, if I draw this particular shape, if I say that cell is in the star shape and who is responsible for the cell to give in the star shape? Star shape में रहने के लिए कारण कौन है? Star shape లో ఉండడానికి కారణం ఎవరు అని ఎవరైనా అడిగితే the answer is very simple, the cell wall. The cell wall is responsible for the cell to be having its particular shape. Shape देने का कारण कौन है बोले तो particular cell having its shape, particular shape कौन who is the responsible means that is the cell wall. Cell wall is responsible for giving shape to the cell. So very simple. This is the introduction only, ma. We didn't even enter into the main topic. This is the introduction only. We didn't even enter into the main topic. So these are the introduction points, ma. Very simple. Outer rigid protective and supportive layer. Second point, various from the 0.1 to the 10 point. So this 0.1 to this is not important, ma. Exam में definitely ये वाला point नहीं पूछेगा. This is just making you to understand. He will never ask this much of values, ma. ये values कभी भी नहीं पूछेगा. Values एప్పుడు అడగనే అడగడు. तो उसको बट्टी मारने की करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This thing you can remember. Mechanical engineering, who is giving mechanical engineering से protection कौन दे रहा है बोलो तो cell wall दे रहा. Pathogen से protection कौन दे रहा बोलो तो cell wall ఇస్తుంది. Pathogens నుంచి cell wall protection ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారు అంటే cell wall ఇస్తుంది. And rigidity and shape ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారు అంటే same thing answer. That is the cell wall is giving rigidity and shape. These things can be asked in your NEET. NEET में पूछने की, MCET में पूछने की chances ज़्यादा है. NEET and MCET वाले के chances చాలా ఉన్నాయి. So try to keep those points in your mind. So what is your next thing means that is we have to see the structure of the cell wall. Now we have to see the structure of a cell wall. The structure देखना होगा जो भी cell wall का है ना, we have to see the structure of the cell wall. Now we have to see the structure of the cell wall. So let me everyone listen me carefully. From here onwards topic is going to be little bit more complicated. थोड़ा complicate होने के chances रहते topics. तो थोड़ा ध्यान से కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త వినడానికి ట్రై అయినాము. So you probably know cell division. You probably know cell division మా. Cell division మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు. Cell division आपको ఆల్రెడీ मालूम है. It takes in two steps. The first step is called as karyokinesis. The second step is called as cytokinesis. Mitosis or meiosis, whatever it might be. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Division of nucleus. Cytokinesis means a division of cytoplasm. Division of a cytoplasm. A division of cytoplasm. So why I'm trying to tell you this one means when the cytokinesis happens, when the cytokinesis happens, when the cell tries to divide and it goes and produces two cells now, when it goes and produces two cells, during that time the cell wall contains only one layer only. During that time the cell wall contains only one layer only. In the young time, in the a very young time, the cell wall, whatever the cell wall is there, it will be made up of only one layer. Again, don't tell me, sir, why you have drawn two cells, because it is a mitosis. Mitosis will always lead to the production of the two diploid cells. So whatever the circle or whatever that layer is there, that is made up of the single layer only. It is a one layer only. Cell wall जो भी है ना, one layer से बना हुआ रहता है. And whatever that one layer is there, that one layer, the youngest layer, that youngest layer is called as a middle lamella. That youngest layer is called as middle lamella. So this is a cell which is in the during the youngest time. This is the youngest time. When it becomes a little bit adult or little bit elder, what will happen means one extra layer will be produced towards the inner side. One extra layer will be produced towards the inner side. That extra layer which is produced now, that is called as primary cell wall. That is called as primary cell wall. थोड़ा टाइम जाते थोड़ा बूढ़ा होता समय में क्या होता बोलते हैं, एक एक्स्ट्रा सेल वॉल विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन the blue color जो भी दिख रहा है ना आपको, what is the blue color that you are seeing, that blue color is called as a middle lamella. So as the cell becoming aging, as it is getting aged, what will happen inner side, it will produce one layer called as a primary cell wall. Now what will happen, very interesting point now, as the growth takes place, as the cell becomes more old and older, as the it becomes more old and older, this is the primary cell wall, this is your respective middle lamella, and around the middle lamella there is an another layer. There another layer will be produced, that is called as a secondary cell wall. That is called as a secondary cell wall. That is called as a secondary cell wall. Now let me draw you diagram clearly again in the center. So everyone listen me carefully. Everyone listen me carefully. When the karyokinesis is completed, two new cells are produced. जब दो न्यू सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं ना, वो टाइम पे उससे एक ही सेल वॉल रहता, सेल वॉल, व्हाट आर द सेल वॉल which is the youngest cell wall is there, that time only one layer is present, and that one layer, whatever it is present now, that one layer is called as a middle lamellum. That one layer is called as a middle lamellum. Is called as a middle lamellum. And you may ask me, sir, why it is called as a middle lamellum? Because it is present in between the primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Primary cell wall और secondary cell wall के बीच में है. That's why it is called as a middle lamellum. तो పहले तो ప్రొడ్యూస్ होगा, कौन ప్రొడ్యూస్ होगा, ఎవరు ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయ్యారమ్మా, మిడిల్ లెవెల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయింది. వెన్ ద సెల్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద యంగెస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ చిన్న స్టేజ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏది ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయిందంటే మిడిల్ లెవెల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయింది. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ ఏజ్డ్, as it is getting aged, as it is become older and older, one extra layer will be produced, one extra layer will be produced, and that will be produced first of all inner side. See, I have drawn the blue color line first of all, pointing out with the laser. I have drawn the blue color line, and that blue color line is the first one to origin. And now see the inner side. Inner side, another line has been produced. Another line has been produced, and that another line is called as a primary cell wall. The another line is called as a primary cell wall. And as the cell becomes more and more mature, or more and more older, older होते समय, already you are having primary cell wall and you are having middle lamellum. Now what you have got mean, you have got the secondary cell wall. secondary cell wall भी आ गया. Now you have got what? You have got the secondary cell wall. So that is present outer side, that is produced outer side. These things can be asked again and again. Primary cell wall बाहर produce होता कि अंदर produce होता कि ప్రైమరీ సెల్ వాల్ బయట ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుందా లోపల ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుందా అని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగచ్చు. ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ప్రైమరీ సెల్ వాల్ లోపల ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఎవరి లోపల ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది? మిడిల్ లామిలం లోపల ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ సెకండరీ సెల్ వాల్ where it will be getting produced. Secondary cell wall is getting produced outer side or inner side. The answer is very simple. Secondary cell wall is getting produced outer side. So what are the diagram which is present at the center? Diagram. The center diagram is there. What are this entire diagram? This entire diagram is there. That is a matured cell. That is a perfect matured cell where it contains three layers. Where it contains three layers. The first one, the center one is called as middle lamellum. The inner side one is called as primary cell wall. The outer side is called as the secondary cell wall. The outer side is called as a secondary cell wall. The outer side is called as a secondary cell wall. The outer side is called as a secondary. Let me write this all this diagram. So the this one is called as a primary, and this side is called as a secondary. And बीच में जो भी है ना, बीच में it is called as middle lamellum. It is called as a middle lamellum. Very simple point, ma. As the cell grows and grows again and again, what will happen? One extra layer will be added each time. पहले तो कौन रहेगा? And these things can be asked again and again. I'm giving you warning. I'm warning you people. These questions can be asked among the three layers which is produced first. What is the answer here again? तीनों layer में which one is produced first? A layer first produced है तो which layer is produced first? Among the three layers, which layer is produced first? Among the three layers, which layer is produced first? Among the three layers, which produced? Very good, Teja. Rohit, very good. Rohit and Teja, very good. Kushor, the wrong. Alina, what happened, Alina? Alina, what happened? Zain, what happened? Bhumika, what happened? Only two people, to Rohit and Teja is giving the answers. बाकी के लोग तो अपन तो मजे के लिए आ रहे. Rahil, okay, very good. Rahil, very good. Bhumika, very good. Bhumika, very good. Sure, what I'm trying to tell and what you're listening, ma. Alina, very good, ma. Alina, also very good, ma. What I'm trying to tell you, ma, the youngest layer is a middle lamellum. First of all, it will be the middle lamellum will be produced. Middle lamellum produce అయితే అని చెప్పిన the middle lamellum అయిన తర్వాత primary cell wall produce అయితే అని చెప్పిన primary cell wall అయిన తర్వాత secondary cell wall will be produced అని చెప్తూ అంత clarification I'm trying to tell and still you are not able to understand. Very simple. What which layer will be produced first of all means middle lamellum. Try to understand middle lamellum will be produced first. Cell produce అయిన వెంటనే cell produce होने के पहले से ही कौन सा वाला cell wall रहता बोले तो middle lamellum वाला रहता. As it grows old, as it becoming old, the inner side one extra layer will be produced, and that extra layer is called as a primary cell wall, and that extra layer is called as a primary cell wall, and that I have represented in the form of red color one, or else you can see the right hand side, middle lamellum is present, and inner side, the red color line is there, and the red color line is called as a primary cell wall. And as a cell grows more old and old, it gets mature one more and more mature. What will happen means you are already having middle lamellum and you are already having the inner side layer called as the primary cell wall. And now what was happening? One extra layer is getting produced. Extra layer produced అవుతుంది, and that one extra layer is called as a secondary cell wall. That extra layer is called as a secondary cell wall. Let me first, who is getting produced means middle lamellum is getting produced. Middle lamellum is getting produced. The next who is getting produced means primary cell wall is getting produced, and next who is getting produced means secondary cell wall is getting produced. secondary cell wall is getting produced now. Very simple one. So we have seen three layers now. Now write down one heading. Chemical nature of each layer of cell wall. Chemical nature of each layer of cell wall. Last 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and I will be stopping the class. I don't want to bother you more and more. So before 10 minutes, what you do means just disconnect and reconnect again. My time is over. Just disconnect and reconnect again. Disconnect and reconnect again. Disconnect and reconnect again.